everyone. Welcome to Foresights with me, Anjali. Girls used to get married by age of 14, deliver child before 17 years. Read Manusmriti. These were the comments by a single judge Justice Samir Dave at Gujarat High Court in pregnancy termination plea of a rape survivor. While there are other aspects like reports from medical board that will influence the judgment, that the ancient text is being referred to in the court of law is a matter of concern. Here's a special report. It was one of those times, not the first and definitely not the last one, when a regressive comment was made from the high pedestal of justice and an ancient text was used to support the same. A plea was being heard at the Gujarat High Court filed by a rape survivor's father. He sought to medically terminate his daughter's 7-month-old pregnancy. The advocate appearing for the father said that the girl is merely 16 years and 11 months old and the pregnancy will have adverse impact on her mental health. The court represented by the single judge Justice Samir Dave invoked Manusmriti to prove his point that a girl her age used to be married at one time and it was alright to give birth to a child. He said, because we are living in 21st century, go ask your mother or great-grandmother. They will tell you that in the past, 14 to 16 years was the normal age for girls to get married. By the time they attained 17 years, they would deliver at least one child. Lawyer Syed too agreed and added that in Islam, the age to get married for girls is 13. The judge went on to say, the point is, girls get matured even before boys do. 4 to 5 months here and there wouldn't make much difference. It is there in Manusmriti. I know you won't read that, but still read it for this once. Manusmriti is a centuries-old text roughly translated as Laws of Manu, and there are various versions of how it was compiled. Some say it was more a documentation of way of life, while many believe it is the Hindu law. While some continue to see relevance of this ancient text, many feel it is outdated and in many parts regressive, especially to women. For example, Manusmriti declares women have no business with the texts of Vedas.